Hey you guys, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. As you come on, please make sure you say hello to me. Happy Friday! Say hello, hello. I would love to welcome you. If you are catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left corner. That means we can chat live right here on Facebook. If you are catching me on YouTube, you guys subscribe to my channel for all the amazing, fun, crafty videos coming up this fall season. So excited. And the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. I would love it if you would share this video. In the bottom left corner of your mobile devices is that share button. Smash that button, share this to the world, let them know about Chalk Couture. Hi guys, happy Friday. It's Friday. Hey, you're catching me again, Shalyn. What's up with that? That's awesome. Thanks for tuning in. I'm so excited you're here. For those of you who do not know me, again, my name is Jennifer Jones. I am an independent designer with this really cool company called Chalk Couture. Hello, Miss Amber. So all these gorgeous things that you see around me, they were all created using Chalk Couture products. Hi, Miss Sandy. How are you? I love what I do, you guys. I love Chalk Couture. I love our products. Hey, George, how are you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. So excited. For those of you that are new, make sure you say hello to us. We would love to welcome you. If you don't know what this Chalk Couture is, let me throw this up on my screen. Hey, Jane, I'm doing great today. I am doing great today, and I'm excited to say that. I hope you are doing well also. So excited for the weekend to be here. So, you guys, what is Chalk Couture? Hey, Renee, how are you? Hey, Miss April, welcome, welcome. So, we are a DIY home decor and crafting company, and you will not find our products anywhere else except through designers like myself. We have these super amazing silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and we have our Couture inks. We do offer several surfaces. Hello, Renee. Did I say hello? Oh my gosh, I don't even know. I think I said hello. I think I did. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. We have all these amazing new surfaces that we offer. We have chalkboards, box wood frames. We have beautiful white Odette boards. We have, oh my gosh, you guys, we have pumpkin cutouts. House cutouts are going to be coming back soon. We have door tags that are going to be coming back soon. We have banners and pillowcases. But our products can be used on so many surfaces, you guys. Glass, tin, canvas, t-shirts, dish towels. The list is endless. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is a home business opportunity to be a designer like myself. Hello, Miss Patty. How are you? So, to become a designer, it is $99 in the US or $129 in Canada. If you want to learn more about having your own DIY home decor crafting business, maybe you are looking to have a side hustle, maybe you're looking for a new career, we would love to help you. You guys, I've been with this company for almost 3 years. This is now my full-time job, and I would love to share that with you and be on this journey with you. Fall transfers come back soon. Yes, George, absolutely. All kind of good stuff happening. And we have so many great things happening, you guys. I would love to share this all with you. So just put a hashtag join in the comments if you want to learn more about being a designer like myself. So here's what we are doing today. And if you are interested in purchasing the products that I'm using today, all the links are up in the comments, okay? So they are up there. You guys, hello, it's back in stock. The Bistro round baby, round board. So excited for this. You guys, look, you can't see it. Look, I'm just, love this board. Ready? Okay, I can't get enough of that. So we are going to be using our Bistro board today. I think I'm saying it right. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. We are going to be using something super cute and simple. This is actually made for this surface. This is called the We're Awesome Transfer. You guys, super cute. Come in, we're awesome. Make yourself at home, or come back later. We're closed, right? Super cute. Would be adorable on your front porch, right? Right on your front porch or right in your entry. Well, I guess not really in your entryway, because if you're closed, they're not going to see it. So super cute. Even in the kitchen, this would be great in a kitchen. So You guys, the directions are all on the back if you've never used our products to tell you how to use these. Remember, these are reusable. You get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses out of one transfer. So even though I'm doing this today, if I want to make this as a gift for somebody else, remember, holidays are coming. DIY gifts are the rage, you guys. Our products are flying off the shelves. And if you are interested and you want to be in the know, so to speak, if you want to know when things are out of stock, coming back in stock, what is new coming, because like what? September, more stuff is coming. Oh my gosh. Join my VIP group as long as you are not a designer. I would love to add you in there. Just put a hashtag VIP in the comments, okay? I would love you in there. I have the most amazing VIP group. These women are the bestest in the whole world, if that's even a word, bestest. So, all right, gonna take my handy dandy transfer cutters. This is good for left or right-handed. They have a nice coating on them because our transfers do contain an adhesive on the back. I'm just gonna cut this right apart, easy peasy breezy. And everybody needs a pair of teal scissors. So I'm just gonna write on the back of my carrier sheets so I know which side these are gonna go back on once we clean them up and they are dry. Clean them up, water, Clorox wipes, air dry, adhesive side up. Put them back on the carrier sheets. I do realize we do not have Clorox wipes in the world right now. If you don't, just clean them off with water. You can get one of our board erasers and clean them off. Still let them air dry, adhesive side up, and you're good to go. I personally just like Clorox wipes. To me, they work good, but if you can't find them, because I know I can't find them, it's just cray-cray. Cray-cray. All right, we are going to be using our chalk paste today in one of my favorite colors, which is pesto and white. Pesto is like a really nice deep green. I think it's great for fall. Our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent, comes in over 36 different colors. You do want your paste to be a yogurt, sour cream, nice creamy consistency, you guys. So you get your stir sticks, you want to stir up all those pigments. I like mine to kind of like fall right off of that stir stick, you guys. The green, I'm going to add a little bit of water to my green. Using my little spritzer bottle. I love my spritzer bottle. We sell those as well, right? Chocateur. I'm obsessed, right? Looky, you guys, even this, like, right, I got to drink Chocateur. I just got to drink Chocateur. It's just my life. It's cray-cray. I'm cray-cray. I'm just happy it's Friday. Friday. Matthew's happy it's Friday. Love this idea for a dish. Oh my gosh, George, that would be super cute too. Oh, for sure on your dishwasher. All right, so bistro board. You're probably thinking, like, that's kind of awkward. How are you going to chalk on that? Like, it's going to move? Okay, you guys, seriously, top comes off. Okay, top comes off. Just unscrew that top. Pop your board out, okay? So now it's going to be nice and easy for you to chalk on, okay? Super, super easy peasy. All right, first step we are going to do is I need my fuzzing cloth, which is behind me. You guys, I can't, listen, you're going to think I'm crazy. So how many of you, like, love buffalo chicken dip? Okay, I made buffalo chicken dip 2 days ago, you guys, and it is sitting on the counter, and I have eaten it for the last 2 days, and I have to have it again today. I will eat buffalo chicken dip till it is gone. Yay, Shalyn, you got home early. That's so exciting. So who, like, do you love buffalo chicken dip or do you hate buffalo chicken dip? I gotta know. Buffalo chicken dip lovers, give me some hearts. Put in the comments, hashtag buffalo chicken dip, because it is my fave. All right, taking my finger, you guys, rubbing it over the edge to get it started. I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to remove my carrier sheet from my transfer, setting that aside. Now, I am going to fuzz this up because on the adhesive side, brand new transfers tend to be sticky. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and fuzz it up a little bit. It just helps when you're removing your transfer so that it's not so sticky. Okay, let me put this right up here. And then I'm going to place this right on my surface where I want it. Am I looking kind of good there? I think I'm okay. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to go with it. I'm going with it. And then I'm going to smooth it out so there's no air bubbles in my silk screen. Look, I got an air bubble. Just pull it up. You can reposition if you need to reposition. And then again, smooth it out so there's no air bubbles. All this area in here, you guys, that is all silk screen. This is where the chalk paste is going to go into to create your design. No weeding is involved in this. It is all done for you, okay? I'm going to use my mini squeegees today. I'm going to do everything in white except the word awesome and except the word closed. Those are going to be in my pesto because pesto is my favorite color. I don't know what it is about that color, but I love it. All right, squeegee out, squeegee in your chalk paste, put it on your surface, scrape it across that silk screen area. That's it. This is how easy it is. This isn't painting. If you've ever done painting, this is not painting. This is just applying pressure to get that chalk paste through your silk screen and then scraping off your excess because you don't want to waste it, right? We don't want to waste our chalk paste. We have lots of things to create for fall. Again, this would be so cute in a kitchen, in an entryway, on a front porch. Lots of ways you could use this design. Okay. Dipping, dipping. Don't forget to give me a share, you guys. As long as you are not a designer, I would love for you to share this video and spread the joy and the love and the fun and the creativeness of Chalk Couture. It is so many amazing things. This is like, and you know what? It's a stress reliever. Like, let me tell you, total stress reliever when you've come home from work after a hard day. It is fun and it is such gratifying to see what you create. Ready? Are you ready to see this? Here we go. Top to bottom, left to right, never corner to corner. Look at that. Can you see that? You can't see it that well on camera, can you? Oh my gosh. Wait, I can't wait to show you this. Oh my gosh. This is, oh, did I get it? No, I'm okay. Thought my finger got right in there. You guys, look at that. How awesome is that? Look at those lines. Crisp, clean, gorgeous lines, all done in seconds, right? Craziness. Awesome. Okay, wait, my hair dryer doesn't reach over here right now. Let me dry this up because we're going to have to do the backside. I'm just going to take my hair dryer, dry this up off to the side. Oh my gosh. Love it. Thank you, George. Oh my gosh. Okay, so is there like nobody here that likes buffalo chicken dip? Am I the only crazy person that eats buffalo chicken dip like 24/7 if I could? Like nobody even said anything about buffalo chicken dip. I'm feeling like, am I weird? I am buffalo chicken dip obsessed. Like crazy obsessed. All right, so we're going to go ahead, do the back side. Do the back side. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. How are we doing? We look good. Closed is there. Smooth it out. This would be a fun workshop, you guys. Listen, I do offer virtual workshops. If anyone is interested in getting some friends together online and doing something fun, this would be a great, oh, no, there's no buffalo lovers. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Buffalo chicken dip was always one of my favorite things when I did workshops in New Jersey. Like if anybody had buffalo chicken dip, it was like my favorite. But okay, we can do virtual and then this way I'll eat my dip and you don't have to. You can just create with me. So if anyone is interested in doing it in a virtual workshop, just let me know, reach out to me and I will get that all set up for you and your friends. It will be fun. Oh my gosh, I feel cray-cray now. I am so crazy. It's okay. It's okay, Sandy. I'm obsessed with it. I have been obsessed with it since it came out years ago. And once I have it, I can't stop eating it. Jake is the same way. My Jacob, he's obsessed with it too. Oh my gosh. And I made it and I can't stop. I can't stop eating it. I feel cray-cray. Crazy. This is such a fun, quick design, you guys. And again, super cute gift. Super cute gift, you guys. Holidays are coming. We have so many fun designs, you guys, and so many more coming out, which is crazy. But we do. Squeegees also, wash them, reusable. We do not throw them out. Okay. So cute. This is adorable. And I love this color, especially for fall. How cute would this be though, on your front porch with a nice piece of greenery on like a little table, right? And a nice little candle or whatever you do, warmer. I'm a Scentsy warmer kind of girl. I don't know if you guys can tell that. I have a gazillion of them behind me, but yeah, I'm obsessed with those. I've always have been. I've used them for years. For years. Okay, so then there you go, Sandy. I could come there and I could eat dip and it would be okay, right? Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. It's perfect, you guys. It's amazingly perfect. Oh, I love, right, George? It's just such a gorgeous color. Such a gorgeous color. And honestly, if you are like a military family, the green is perfect. I think it's a perfect shade of green. All right, so just drawing this up. Now, you guys, like I'm talking about, you know, if you wanted to put this on your front porch and it was going to be like in any kind of weather or anything like that, look at that. Look how nice that is. Nice, crisp lines, right? You can seal your chalk projects if they're going to be outside in some type of weather. This is the sealer that I use. It's a Krylon clear sealer. So if I wanted to, I would spray this on both sides and let it dry. Definitely need to spray it outside. This is very, very strong. And then that is what's going to make your design and seal it so that you cannot, so that if water hits it, it's not going to do anything. Okay. Then you're just going to take this and put it back in there. Now, once you seal it, it's pretty much permanent. You're not going to be able to change it. Okay. So keep that in mind. If you want to be able to change out this sign, you're going to need to not seal it. But check it out, you guys. Look how cute that is. Come on in. Sorry, we're closed. So if you've got to go to the little general store nearby, yeah, you can say closed. Sorry, not home. If not, you can say, come on in, have a drink and some buffalo chicken dip with me. Yeah. All right, you guys, it is that easy peasy breezy to create DIY home decor. Like I said, if you are interested, come join our private VIP group. Just put a hashtag VIP and I will get you the link to there. That is where all the amazing customers are at. We talk about specials. We talk about upcoming things. I share some sneaky peeks. We do giveaways in there. Also, if you're interested in being a designer like myself, just put a hashtag join in the comments and I will get you all of that information. We would love to have you be a part of our team. And then you are always welcome to check out things right on my website at chalkandwithjen.com. These items that I did use today, from the squeegee to the chalk paste to the surface, all the links are in above in the comments of the, bye George, bye guys, thanks so much. They're right in the comments of the video. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Quick and easy DIY home decor. I hope you loved it. And you guys have a great weekend. I'll be chalking with you soon. Bye.